Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very popular dish, the Kashmiri Korma. So the Kashmiri Korma has a slightly different take on the traditional korma. It's got a lot more flavour, but it's still quite mild. So as always, we're going to start off with a nice hot pan, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in there, get that nice and hot. So I'm going to add chicken strips in there, get that chicken sealed. So that's sealed now, we're ready to add the jar. Add about a third of a jar of water in there, swirl that around, and get your money's worth. And we're going to stir that in. Alright, and we're going to let that come to the boil and let it simmer for about 7 or 8 minutes. So we've got that on the boil now, and I'm going to add the lid and let that simmer through for a few more minutes. Now while that's simmering, I'm going to take a bit of coriander, chop that finely and get it ready for the garnish. That's been simmering there for about 7 or 8 minutes. It's probably done now. We're going to check it out. It smells lovely. So normally I would allow that to simmer with the lid off for another couple of minutes to just let that sauce reduce down a little bit. But with a korma, you want it creamy, you want it saucy. So I'm not going to let that simmer for too much longer. We're going to add a little bit of yoghurt now. 2 technical dollops. I'm just going to stir that in, and you can see the colour of that. It's just a little bit lighter. That is a lovely Kashmiri korma. Now, just to finish that off, I'm going to add a drizzle of double cream in there. A sprinkle of coriander. And there you have it, a fantastic Kashmiri korma with chicken served with fresh chapatis.